To import information from one spreadsheet to another, you want to use the import range formula. To start, type equals, then the word import range, then parentheses. Now you need to enter your values. Start with quotation marks. From here, you need to go to another spreadsheet that you have. This is the one that has the information that you want to pull in. Go to the Omni box at the top, select everything, copy it, then go back to the spreadsheet where you want this information and paste. End it with another quotation marks, then a comma. That's your first value. Now you need to say where you want, what data you want it to come from. So from here, you'll see that my sheet name is Emma. And so Emma is the sheet name, and it's in columns A and column B, and I only go to row 12. But I could, if let's say I want to add more information to this sheet, then I can make that range even longer. So I'm going to say quotation marks again for the sheet name, ending with an exclamation mark, and now I'm going to enter my range, capital A1 colon 2B, and I'm going to say 30. Because I might add some more information to that. If you know that you're going to have lots of information, you can do 500, 1,000, whatever you want. End the quotation marks and then end parentheses and hit enter. Now immediately it's going to try to load, but there's going to be an issue, which you will see with this REF. Click on it. You will see a box that says allow access. Click on allow access and your information will show up. Now you can format it, so I can make the top row bold, I can freeze the first row, I can do all sorts of things, but what I can't do is if I want to, I did have, my formula goes all the way to B30. Well, let's say I want to type in Susie, and you'll see all of my information disappeared. That's because it is pulling everything from A1 all the way down to B30. Now if I go past B30 and type in my information here, you'll see that the it's not interfering with the information I'm pulling from another spreadsheet, so it's all good. So you can type anywhere around it. I can type next to it in column C and D and nothing will happen, but if I try to type something in A or B, it will disappear. Simply to fix that, hit delete, and your information will come back up.